Just stopped at the Woodford Mills Tearooms here in Kentford. I saw it on username Kate and Ruby Ride's video when they were showing some roads off for Triumph, and I've actually managed to finally come here. I'm on my way to Hinckley. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, just be a minute, okay? Yeah, lovely. Nice tea cakes as well. Lovely setting. Lots of dragonflies out today. Beautiful setting with the canal and the boats and stuff. I've got to come back here when I have maybe a little bit more time. A bit pressed for time today. I have a booking. I have a booking to see the factory experience at Triumph. My problem is if I leave it here, I'll be able to pick the bike back up. Can I push off from here? Oh, look at that! What a blessed day. No, I can't do. Can't go from here. And you fell over there. That's the problem with parking a bike on the slope, isn't it? There's nobody here to help me. What a noob. It's too steep. Finally. Quite hot and bothered now. Let's go. Woo. I should have parked on the flatter bit. Lesson learned. Next time, eh? I think I will try to come back here for another visit. Sorry about the heavy breathing. Anyway, today is a special day for me. I'm having the day off work because it's my birthday. Woohoo! So for my birthday, I bought myself a day off work, a visit to the Triumph factory experience, the long weekend away with the wife in the Woodford Mills. Oh boy, that tired me out. I bet Ruby and his name Kate didn't have those problems, because they're pros and I'm just a noob. I continue to have a lot of problems between my Cardo and my TomTom. It kind of sometimes just completely loses sound. Sometimes the TomTom just reboots. Anyway, you don't want to hear about that. So yeah, I am getting old. I'm not such a young noob anymore. I'm an older, dumber noob. I seem to be getting any wiser with age. Well, it looks like a lovely road riding, and I will catch up with you in Hinckley. The hearse is dead. Oh, it's from a Volvo. I thought it was from a Montego. Oh, hello. Some interesting cars on the A14 today. American cars, you like them? Smell of petrol. Here we are. I've seen Banded Man, UK, Richard and Carol come here so many times. And I'm finally here. Some interesting stuff here. The Beast. Nice gear shift. Right, well, let's go and visit the factory. Factory visitor experience. Yeah. Oh, there's a rocket and a sprint. Very nice. Oh, I'll catch you later. So I came here to the Triumph factory. We did a factory tour. Got a tour experience. I'm not going to try to compete with Richard and Carol. They come here quite often. They do a great job of showcasing what's here. Suffice to say, Loads and loads of beautiful Triumph motorcycles from all different eras. Wonderful. Really great experience. Everybody should come and have a look. I'm going to have a quick look and then I'm going to get going. Some absolutely beautiful tank paint jobs here. I like this one. I like the multiple different colors. Really like that one. That red is very nice. And so is this orange. Beautiful. Very well done, Triumph, for putting this exhibition showcasing all their motorcycles. Very, very good. Almost makes me want to get a Triumph now. Can't record inside the factory, so here's a picture of my face instead. So yeah, very interesting little visit to the Triumph experience here. Very enjoyable. Bit empty today, a Friday. Lovely sunny day. But we must move on. Must move on to meet with the wife in Malvern.